Fire.
Ooh wee.
Fire.
You like that, bro? Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. Doing 2 videos in 1 day just for y'all. My name is Rahnnifitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel.
And I'm back again. It's your boy A Kobayashi here. So, yeah,
What?
Let's get right to it. What are we doing today?
So we just did our My Fitteds Buffalo Bisons review. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't done so.
Fire.
Once again, 2 videos 1 day.
Yes,
That's
sir.
the first one we did. Great collection. This one, another great collection.
Yep.
What I showed you earlier is a pin from Hatclub. So this pin, if you bought a hat from this collection, you got one of these pins. It is a, let me open it real quick. Yeah, which is dope. So it just plays more into the collection. The collection, let's just go ahead and say it. You guys already know the title. It's the Black Domes by Hatclub. This collection consists of just black crown, black brim, but then it's got the team's colors for the logos and side patches. All of them have a green undervisor, and all of them will have white guts. And then once again, here's the pin. Kobe, check it out. The pin is a turtle.
Ooh, fire.
I think, you know, I don't know why they chose a turtle, but I do like it because it's just turtles are green,
turtles.
and then I like turtles. Yeah, bro, that's a turtle guy over here.
That's memes right there.
Let's go ahead and get into it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
7 hats.
Sheesh.
That's
7
a lot.
black domes. This collection, I missed out when they first dropped. I think they were in insider's access, so everyone who had access ate them up. At that time, I was just starting out, so I was very sad that I couldn't get my hands on them. And Kobe didn't even know about Hatclub back then.
Yeah.
But he does
I'm
now.
a believer now.
These are all mine. I bought these all with my own money, and I would do it
All
again just because these hats are
Yes,
nice.
sir. Let's get on to it. The first
Oh,
hat
yeah.
is...
We're just gonna start out in just the way they're laid out. Seattle Mariners with the retro S logo.
Fire.
Ooh wee.
Fire.
You like that, bro?
That was something else.
No, it's chill, bro. It's chill. 40th anniversary side patch. Batterman is done up in blue and yellow. Now this is the Seattle Mariners, of course, retro. I forgot what era. Maybe it was early 90s, late 80s, early 90s. Correct me if I'm wrong. I probably am. But Ken Griffey vibes. Ken Griffey Jr. This is the hat. One of my favorites out of the pack. Yes, sir. Kobe.
Yeah. Classic logo, like Ronnie said, and this is definitely probably one of my tops of this collection, and yeah, can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. Put this one real quick for y'all. Boom. I love it. I love the sweatband they use in this one real quick. They use that premium silk sweatband. I love it when fitted hats have that. And
Let's do a rating right now for these hats.
Easy. This one? Go ahead, Kobe.
This one for me, I can see myself rocking this consistently. 8.5.
Yeah. I'm gonna say this one is probably one of my favorites out of the pack. So I want to be strategic in my rating, but 8.8.
Okay.
8.8.
Solid.
It's these ratings can be very similar just because of just
It's how simplistic it is and just how
simplistic. I like that.
Yeah.
It is a simplistic collection, but it's
a heater. So it's
sometimes
still heaters.
all you need is just something simple.
Simple
like this.
is better sometimes.
Because with all the crazy colors, like the one I was wearing, the one you're wearing, you know, you just need to go back to the classic Kelly green, you know, UV.
All right.
Like that.
Ooh, shoulder went off.
I got my clips on it. I'll leave it on.
Yeah,
on.
leave
The Rahnni
those on.
the Rice Bowl clip and the Rice Bowl pin.
Let's go.
Anyways, this one is the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. I haven't had this logo in my collection.
I don't
so
either right now.
I had to pick it up. I wasn't sure how this was gonna turn out, and I wasn't sure if I truly loved it, but I took a gamble on it, and I do love it.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. This one in person is fire. It's a heater.
You got the logo, the Devil Ray logo, to match the side patch, the inaugural season side patch. Once again, flat Batterman with the black and purple Batterman colorway, green UV, like all of them will have white guts with that silky band. This one, the colors. Oh, okay, you got the white, teal, purple, like the neon vibes. But wow, just on a black crown. Once again, pops. This one, sir. 9 out of 10. I like this one better than the Seattle.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna have to agree. This one is. Honestly, for me, I thought it was gonna be not a good hat that Rahnni selected. But seeing it in person again, it's just everything matches so well, and that front logo is actually growing on me.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it an 8.8.
Good rating. Good rating. Moving on, you guys might already know a lot of my collection, just from maybe the stories I've told. Atlanta Braves have been a staple in my years of collecting. One of my very first fitted hat was Atlanta Braves, so I have a lot, and I just added another one to the collection. This one's simple. There's not much we can say. It does have this 2017 inaugural season with a nice silver metallic, threading. Quality of the stitching is very nice. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna say the quality of the stitchings for each of these hats are very, very detailed, very nice. And yeah,
very detailed. I wouldn't say very detailed, but it's just.
I mean, it's simple, and you can tell the stitching was done very.
A logo. Shout out to the champs. Congrats on this year's.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna give that one 8.88.
I'll give this an 8 out of 10 as well. I mean, like I said, these are gonna be simple ratings,
Yeah.
But just clean, beautiful hats. Moving on to the next one.
LA.
This one's nice. This blue, the blue they use in this one.
The side patch is nice.
It's like swimming in the ocean. It's a nice blue.
Yeah.
Los Angeles Dodgers with the 40th anniversary side patch.
This side patch is nice.
Yeah, I can tell Kobe likes that one. You got the gold metallic and the silver metallic in there. I do like this side patch a lot. Yeah. This gives it a very royal feeling of the side patch. Yeah. So this one, once again, 40th anniversary side patch, LA logo, 9 out of 10. I mean, I just like it.
For me,
it's the colorway of the Dodgers, of course. Team.
This one is nice. I'm gonna give it 8.2.
8.2. We have our reasons. I'm saying a 9 because I love the side patch. It's one of the best ones in the collection.
Again, for me, I rate my things on like how often I would wear them. That one I don't see myself wearing a lot.
That's what I do too. But then again, I see some of these side patches or see some details in these fitted hats, and I'm just like, that deserves a high rating because of how nicely that's.
I respect that.
Yeah, this one was a favorite of the collection. I feel a lot of people are going for this one too. And here it is, Pittsburgh Pirates, 2006, I believe. Just double check. Yep, All-Star Game.
That's a classic side patch too.
I feel that. It's a good side patch. You got the Batterman, I think black and red. Sorry, black and yellow.
Black and yellow. Jinx.
Hey, Minnesota. Green UV. I mean, this one gets an 8.
8 for you. Wow.
8's still good, bro. These are if it's an.
That's one I like a lot more. Just how.
This one's just, it doesn't have like
it's like class. Yeah.
It doesn't have the threading like the gold metallic or the silver metallic, so it's muted when in terms of talking about all the other ones we've shown. But it's a Pirates logo. The logo is badass.
Yeah.
I don't have too many of these, but
8.4 for me.
Yeah. Good rating, bro. Good rating.
All right, last two hats.
All right. This one, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
I don't know how I feel about this one.
I wanted to get more of San Diego Padres in my collection because I don't have too many.
Right.
So as you already know, we're about to show the San Diego Padres. The Padres. SD logo. I like it because it's got the brown, orange, and white in there.
Right.
No white. Yellow, my bad. Then you got the 50th anniversary side patch. Batman's yellow and orange and white. Once again, boom. I think in a way it's a sleeper. I think this is definitely at the top of the tier in this collection that people were going after or put it in. But I can see myself wearing this still,
Yeah.
and I need more Padres in my logo in my collection. So I will give this a 7.5 out of 10. It's very simple. The stitching is good. Yeah.
This one, the colors throw me off. I don't see myself rocking this very often. I'm gonna give it a 6.4.
I feel like people are starting to get to know your style, and I think they can see it. But your style is kind of
It's all over the place, but
all over the place too. But
this hat ain't it for me.
he likes what he likes, and
Yeah.
that's the thing. So when I say 7.5, I do like the side patch. I want to bring it back.
The side patch is nice. I'll
You
give
get
it
the swinging
that.
fire in there.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not the biggest fan of the swinging fire logo, but I do like it there. It's
It's just the colors
kind
for
of
me.
hidden in there, to be honest. If you see it,
I see it.
brown.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. Just
Okay.
the colors, man, throw me off.
Last but not least, this is definitely
This one's a sleeper.
one of my favorites.
Yes, sir.
Kobe says a sleeper. I can see that, but also I feel like
Could be a heater.
people were definitely going for this
Yeah.
one. Boom. Anaheim Angels. With the Angels logo right there with the halos. This is probably my second favorite Angels logo behind the Disney Angels logo. I just love the wings.
Yeah.
But this one I love. Boom. 1989 All-Star Game side patch. I have a friend in the fitted community. He goes by C's.
Hey.
Sakala Papa. You met him.
I met him.
He's
yeah.
a homie. Halo Fitters. A big
Legit.
Angels fan. This is his hat. I feel like every time I look at this hat, I think of the homie C's.
Shout out, shout out.
This one, I like this logo. I used to have a lot of Supreme hats with that retro S Supreme logo.
Yeah.
It has these colors. It gives me that nostalgic feel. I like that.
Yeah, like a retro vibe.
I like that.
For real.
Yeah. Brings me back to my collection of, you know.
And the side patch is really nice.
Side patch is
I just like how detailed.
it's not bad. I mean, I don't.
Honestly, yeah, this is my first time seeing it.
I have a thing against. I don't think it's not my favorite. But it's not.
Yeah.
It's not great. It's not bad. It's good. 1989 All-Star Game side patch. Boom.
All right, and that was the black domes.
That collection I really want to pick up because I just need more simple hats to this one up. Simple hats in the collection because I've been going crazy with the colors, and you know, it's always nice to go back to the classic black Kelly green combo. This collection I missed out the first time, like I said, need to pick it back up. If it drops again, I'll probably pick up more teams.
Yes, sir.
This is what I picked up. Let us know down in the comments what you picked up. Let us know what was
Which
your
one is
favorite.
your favorite? Your ratings on them?
Have you been keeping it, or do you remember what other hats were in this collection by any chance? Or if there's one hat that I can think of right now, I wish I would have picked up the Oakland A's because you know
the A's.
we're a big fan of. I've been a big fan of the Athletics, but it wasn't a Stomper logo. It was just the A's logo. But that one was clean.
Can't say I remember any of them.
I think overall this collection is a 9 out of 10.
8 out of 10 for me.
Because I've been wearing these, you know, I've been wearing these two, or that one and this one. I'm probably gonna curve more up. Easy to wear, easy to go with the fit. What'd you give it?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, 10. Simple video. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching again. 2 videos in one day. Just wanted to show you guys this. And next up, I'm pretty sure we'll show you our top 10, top 15 in our entire collection. Pretty much we collected all of this year, and next year is gonna be even crazy. But can't wait to show you guys what we pick for the top.
Yeah. So with that being said, this has been a Kobayashi.
Rahnnifitteds. Follow us, IG, or everything will be down there. Kobe, thank you, bro.
Peace.
Thanks, guys. Peace.